Good morning, children. How are you all? I think all of you are fit and fine. In today's GK session, I will basically discuss with you about three topics. They are consecutively number 1, quizzing on Central India, number 2, branches of medicine, and number 3, quiz yourself. So, children, let's start with our session with our first topic, that is quizzing on Central India. Children, this is the image of Sanchi Stup or Sanchi Stupa. Quizzing on Central India. Choose the correct answers to find out how much you know about Central India. So basically, through this topic, we are going to gather informations related to one of the zone of India that is said to be the Central India. So through this topic, we are going to gather information related to Central India. Question number 1. Which of the following was the city in which Mumtaz Mahal died? Which of the following was the city in which Mumtaz Mahal was died? Answer. Options are available. A. Burhanpur, B. Ratlam, C. Indore. Answer is Burhanpur. Number 2. Which of these cities served as the capital of Avanti, one of the earliest kingdoms of Madhya Pradesh? Answer options are Khandwa, Magadha, and Ujjain. Children, Ujjain as the capital of Avanti, one of the earliest kingdoms of Madhya Pradesh. Number 3. In which year was the state of Chhattisgarh formed? Answer options 1957, 2000, 1947. Children, in the year of 2000, the state of Chhattisgarh formed. Prior to that, it was a part of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 4. Which one of the following famous singers was born in the city of Indore? Lata Mangeshkar, Asa Bhosle, and Manna De. Children, Lata Mangeshkar is that famous singer who was born in the city of Indore. So we can say that Indore is the birthplace of famous singer Lata Mangeshkar. Question number 5. The Jabalpur area in Madhya Pradesh is famous for which rock? Number A, limestone. Number B, marble. Number C, quartz. Marble is one kind of rock. For that, Jabalpur, the area of Madhya Pradesh, one of the area of Madhya Pradesh is famous. Question number 6. Which city in Madhya Pradesh is referred to as Cowherd's Hill? Answer option A, Gwalior. Number 2, Bhopal. Number 3, Sanchi. Answer. Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh is referred to as Cowherd's Hill. Now, children, 3 images are available in this page, and second question is given associated to those images. You have to find out the name of those places or images or temples or monuments from the image. And in the last section, A, B, C, name of those images are given. You have to match it. Number 1 image. It is showing some temple. Name of the temple is Kandraya Mahadev Temple. Number 2. Some rocky structure is available in front of you. That is actually the name of the place is Bhimbetka Rock Settler. Children, have you heard the character of Bhim in Mahabharata? Actually, this place is named by him only. It is a myth that he was used to sit over there. That's why the name of the place is Bhimbetka. Means Bhim was once upon a time used to sit, बैठना, जहाँ से बोला जाता है बैठना, sitting. So Bhimbetka. Number 3, one monument is given in the image of number 3. Beta, actually this is the image of Great Stupa of Sanchi. Tidbits. Madhya Pradesh has the highest tribal population in comparison to any other state of India. So, if we go for a statistical calculation, what we find? Madhya Pradesh has the highest tribal population in comparison to any other state of India. Children, now I will move to our second topic. Name of this topic is Branches of Medicine. Through this lesson, what we come to know? We just come to know regarding what kind of doctor would we call to diagnose a specific type of problem. So here we will define you some diseases associated with lungs, kidney, skin, and respectively many other diseases which are related to some body parts, and for that reason which type of doctor we will go and we should consult. So here we will come to know according to the diseases which doctor will give us the diagnosis. Number 1, Jimmy has a skin infection. He should consult a dermatologist. That means when we are having skin infection, that time we should consult with a dermatologist. Skin related doctors are said to be the dermatologist. Kriti's grandmother, who is aged, needs to check up. Kriti should take her to geriatrician. So, the doctor who treats aged person is said to be the geriatrician. Okay? So remember that term. The doctor who treats the elderly person is said to be the geriatrician. Atul's father has heart problems. She should consult a cardiologist. That means the doctor who gives us consultancy regarding the heart problem is said to be the cardiologist. Mayanka is having a problem in digesting things. She should go to a gastroenterologist. That means the doctor who treats the problem related to digestion is said to be the gastroenterologist. Gopal's mother hormone level are not balanced. She should consult an endocrinologist. So the doctor who treats the hormone level of the body is said to be the endocrinologist. Farhan is suspected to suffer from blood cancer. He should go to a hematologist. That means the doctor who gives us the treatment related to blood cancer is said to be the hematologist. Garima's kidneys are not functioning too well. She should consult a nephrologist. So, nephrologist is the term of those kinds of doctor who treats the patient who is having problem related to kidney. Karan's sister has breast cancer. She should be taken to an oncologist. So, oncologists are those doctors who treats the breast cancer patient. Jasprit is having breathing problems. He needs to get his lungs checked by a pulmonologist. So, pulmonologists are those doctors who treats the patient who are having breathing problems. Dan has been having severe headache. He thinks he should get his nervous system diagnosed by a neurologist. So, neurologists are those doctors who deals with nervous system of human body. Aniha is about to have a baby. She should go to a gynecologist. So, children, gynecologists are those doctors who deals with the delivery of a baby, newborn baby. Rag's kids need to go for a checkup. He should take them to a pediatrician. So, pediatrician are those doctors who treats the kids only or infants only. So, aged person should be treated by geriatrician and kids are treated by pediatrician. Now come to the point, tidbits. I wonder why she was called the lady with the lamp. Nursing is a well respected medical profession. Florence Nightingale is known to have established nursing as a career and devoted her life to improving hospital care. She started the first nursing school. So, the first nursing school was started by whom? Started by Florence Nightingale. Remember the name. Now, children, I will come to today's third topic of discussion. The third topic is quiz yourself 3. Why it is quiz yourself 3? Because in class 5 GK book you are already having quiz yourself number 1 and quiz yourself number 2. Now here the first question related to quiz yourself 3 is, what is the full form of WTO? Full form of WTO is World Trade Organization. Number 2. What is the capital of Germany? Berlin is the capital of Germany. Which political party does Narendra Modi represent? Bharatiya Janata Party was or is represented by Narendra Modi ji. Which of this is not a style of embroidery? Chikankari, tarkari and kashidakari. Among them, tarkari is not a style of embroidery. In 2014, an airlines going to Beijing from Kuala Lumpur appeared over the Gulf of Thailand with 239 people on board. Which airlines did the plane belong